of this file, I'll declare a package main. Then I'll import gorm.io/java/mysql and gorm.io/gorm. Then I'll create a main function, and inside it will attempt to connect to the MySQL database. The snippet pasted in here uses Gorm to open a new database connection. If there are any errors while trying to connect to database, then we'll call the built-in panic function. Next, we'll create a struct which is a gorm.model. This syntax allows a structure to be treated like a Gorm data object, and as such, it will have some extra properties added onto it. They will add a name property on the struct, which is a string, an email property, which is also a string. Then I'll create a new file, helper/main.go, and inside of this file, we'll create a package helper. We'll copy the user struct from the index.go file and paste it into the helper/main.go. We'll define and export a function, create user from this file. This function accepts a pointer to a database connection, an email. It returns a user object or an error object. Inside the function, we'll create a new user object. Then we'll create a variable result, which is equal to calling db.create and pass in the user literal we just created. If the results the error is not new, then we want to return an empty object and a string that reads error creating user. Otherwise, we'll return the newly created user and an empty string. Let's head back to the index.go file where we'll attempt to create a new user by importing and calling helper.createUser with the db as the first argument and an email sam@gmail.com and the name samtime. If there are any errors returned from the function, we'll call the panic function with this error. Otherwise, we want to print a message that reads accounts created successfully with the user ID.